Welcome to Aditya Singh Live. Today I'm at Pharma, a lifestyle exhibition at Novotel Hotel near Chandigarh Tribune Chowk at Chandigarh. And we're going to be exploring all the brands that are present in this exhibition. So let's begin the show. Come on! And look at the entrance. It is so attractive, beautiful and iconic. And by seeing all of these nature things already, like these plants, these beautiful flowers, I think more of the stuff here will be handmade. So now let's explore the brands without wasting even a second. Come on! So guys, with the next brand made for her, I'm going to ask what kind of products they have. So can you tell a brief detail about your products?
Hi, we are from Delhi and we are into designer bags, portly bags, embroidered handbags. So we have come all the way from Delhi to showcase our products here.
So are these handbags and clutches handmade?
Yes, these are all handmade. We have party clutches also, and these are all handmade bags which takes at least 6 to 7 days to get it ready.
Okay, and what sets your products apart from the rest?
Maybe our class, maybe our this designer wear, because we design our own bags and we get it here for the clients. That's it.
And what is your price range for different handbags?
Our price range starts from 1500 and goes till 5000 for the exclusive bags, and we start from 1500.
Okay, and are these screen friendly?
Yes, they are.
Okay, thank you. So guys, as you can see, these handbags are clutches, are handmade, and also these are party wear. So if you want a purse and you're going for a party, you can easily buy one from made for her. And you can see all of these are so unique, and these shiny things such as, and all of these, I love these kind of purses. So now let's explore the next brand without wasting any time. Come on. Guys, with the next brand, Blue Wardrobe, and we'll ask what kind of products they have. So can you tell a brief detail about your products?
So we are exclusive designer collection sarees, and we have rural artisans all over India. We give them designs and we make exclusive hand painted, handloom and hand embroidered artisans they prepare for us.
So what kind of fabrics are these?
So this is a Paithani sari made in Yola, Maharashtra. And we have given the designs to the weavers, and you can see there is this peacock work. This is the Munia work from Maharashtra. So this is a pure silk Paithani work.
Okay, and can you explain more about comfort and durability?
So these saris are very, very free flowing. These are like exclusive piece that you can keep in your wardrobe, and they are pure, so you will not feel uncomfortable wearing them. It's very easy, comforting, soothing, cooling, and it gives you a lot of grace.
Okay, and what kind of embroidery are these?
So there are various types of embroideries. Like this is a designer saris. This is embroidered. This is also embroidered. This is also embroidered. And majorly a lot of saris are hand painted. Like this is a pure organza sari, and this is all hand painted by the artisans. So we have workshops where all these artisans they draw, paint.
Thanks for explaining. So what is your price range?
So Because it is all exclusive and designer sarees, and these are all hand painted and handmade. So of course the price you pay is the price to the art. So the price is starting from 5,000 to 5 lakhs. So right now
Okay.
the collection that I have is between 5,000 to 50,000.
Oh, and what kind of material do you use in the clothing?
We have various different materials, like for example this sari. This is a pure Banarasi sarees. The design is Banarasi, but if you see, the pallu and the border is Paithani. So this is like a fusion of Banarasi and Paithani. This is pure Kanjivaram. This fabric is Kanjivaram. It's a Kanjivaram silk. The design is Kanjivaram, and the whole bordered and the pallu is Banarasi or Paithani. So all our sarees are exclusively designed and fusion.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, as you can see, these sarees have such good embroidery, and the fabrics are also very soft that you can wear it in the summer season. And also, they have some floral painted sarees and etc. So now let's go to the next brand without wasting any time. Come on. So guys, with the next brand, Tarash Jewels, and I want to ask her what kind of products they have. So can you tell about your product details?
Hi, so we have silver and metal base earrings. Our main criteria are the main USPs are metal jewelry, as you can see, as well as we have beaded earrings. So these beaded earrings also we have, and we have an in manufacturing unit at Jaipur. So all our earrings, necklaces are at a very minimal prices. Along with that, we have necklaces, we have rings and bracelets too for you.
Okay, thank you for explaining. Can you tell if we wear any of these bracelets and wash our hands, will the color go off?
No, so all these earrings and necklaces are in anti-tarnish 18 carat plated. So the color and the stones doesn't fade off, because all these stones are been hand setted and not been pasted. So the color, the tarnish, everything's remain intact.
So are these earrings and necklaces and bracelets, are they all skin friendly?
Yeah, all are skin friendly, but also we need to do a proper care of it. We can't keep in velvet boxes, or we can't keep it open, and only we can wear it after the application of perfume.
Okay, and thanks for clarifying. Can you tell what kind of materials you use in your jewelry?
So it's silver and brass alloy we use. So silver we use because brass doesn't suit anybody. So we add a mixture of silver as well.
That's fascinating. And can you are your jewelry made from ethically sourced materials?
No.
Oh, it's okay. So guys, I've explored some of the brands, but you can come to Pharma and explore more of the brands that are present in the exhibition. I was thrilled by the quality of the products, and I'm sure you will find them appealing too. Pharma is going to organize their exhibition on these coming dates. Thank you, goodbye for now, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.